Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a good afternoon. Super hot here in the garage. I think it's like 91 or something today. It gets hot here, and obviously it gets cold because I have a wood stove in here too. It snows up here once in a while. I got some stuff done on the boat. I'll give you guys a quick update right here. That was it. So that was just a little time lapse. But I've got the step that was here off. I got the cleat that was here off. There was another cleat here and here. I've got the GPS unit. I've got the GPS unit undone. I've got to disconnect the wire here. I took the screws out of the navigation light, but it's not coming out, so I gotta look into that a little bit more, see how you disassemble that. I've got the bow of the boat off here, as you can see. Piece that goes here. I got that off. Right now I'm working on the windshield. These little guys here go down, and then there's a nut underneath the deck here on the bow. So I gotta go up from underneath and try to get those off. I got the couple screws here out, so this is loose. Another cleat here, another cleat there is gone. The other step on this side, the other cleat on this side. I'm thinking I might take these grab handles off here and see if I can do that. Sorry for the wind noise, the noise there, it's the fan. But I also did take out the seat. The seat is just like this one, but it's on that side. I was trying to get up under the bow to get to the nuts of the windshield off, and it was just a tight fit. So I took that one out. It had to come out anyways. I'll take this one out in a little bit later. But that should give me more room to work on. And I'm having a problem with these. This one on the other side wasn't so bad, but these 1, 2, 3, 4 there are going to be a little bit tougher because there's foam under this, and the foam is covering up the nuts for these. So I'll take you guys under there and you can see what I'm looking at. Oh, and also I did a little bit more prepping on this with the chemical stripper. I think it's going to come out pretty good. So I was originally thinking about painting it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it this nice aluminum. I'm just gonna get it down to, you know, something like this, and then I have Scotch-Brite pads for my die grinder, and I'll probably do like a buffed half moon, and then cut it off and do a little design on the front, and then down this side here, and then under here I'll probably just sand smooth to aluminum. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you guys want to also help support this project, this beautiful project of mine, there's also a link to my Patreon account down below. What also helps if you guys share these videos on Facebook or whatever. The more views I get on them, the better off I can get. I need to get 4,000 subscribers before I can even monetize the channel. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Help me out here. This is going to be a pretty fun little project, I think. It's a sweet little boat, like I said in the last video. So I only have a little bit of time to work on it today because Emma's taking a nap and my mom's coming over later this afternoon for some dinner. So, see if I can show you guys here. You see the foam here, and the bolts the bolts are up in here somewhere. I just don't know where. I found this one. This one's right there. Let's see if you guys can see. It's kind of up in the foam there. And this one I don't know where it's at. But also I gotta get rid of all this wiring, clean it up under here. I think that radio that I was talking about will go perfect right here somewhere, and maybe a couple speaker boxes up here or something. You know. So, all right, let's get these bolts out and try to get this windshield off. Make it look like we're doing something on this project, huh? You guys are set up in the wrong spot here. Me. That works. But you guys get the idea. We'll be back in a minute once I get all these done. Alright, so what a pain in the butt it was up underneath this bow here with all that itchy, sticky foam, sweating. And that doesn't help either. So I got them all off except for this one right here underneath. I had to take the bolt out from the top, but I'll have to get that one out later. But I think so. I think she's free. So I'm gonna see if I can pull it off here. So it's all loose. It should just pop right off. As you can see, it's broke here, so we got to get a new one, and it's just faded out. Oh well, there we go. See if I can pop out of here without killing myself. What do you guys think now? Totally different boat, huh? Totally different boat. I don't know if I like it without the windshield. Ugh. You gotta have that window to keep your breeze off you. I don't know, if we get enough support from you guys out there, maybe I'll buy a bimney top for it. So you have a little shade if you're out there fishing, you know, trolling around the lakes and stuff. Some bow storage up there, some life jackets up there right now. But yeah, it's got a little bow storage for the life jackets. I gotta still take out this other seat here, take out the cushions here. Just get it all stripped out, finish vacuuming, pull that fuel tank out. Gotta get a new hose for the fuel tank because it, as I said before, it has a leak, so it leaks out somewhere over here. So I'll get a new fuel cap for that. Still got some fishing rod holders I got to pull out, but I think there's nuts on the backside, so you can't just unscrew them. Got the anchor light loose here. Probably just cut the wires for now, and then I'll solder them and heat shrink them back up when I go to reassemble. Whew. I'm about done for the day. So don't forget to check back, and I'm just trying to pump out these couple videos real quick because I won't have time here shortly once the new baby comes. I won't be, so I'm trying to get some videos up for, or you know, trying to get some videos recorded for you guys. Guys, also don't forget, I need to name this project. This boat needs a name. I will put it on the back. Ronnie has one of those Cricut machines, so we have the ability to cut them out, vinyl stickers. That's probably what I'll do for the CF numbers here. But I need a name for the boat and put it on the back. You know, leave your comment of the name down below, and if you're chosen, I like your comment. I guess I don't really know what else to do. I don't have any merch or anything, so. But yeah, leave that comment down below. This sweet project. We still got a lot of work ahead of us. Most of the work is going to be with this paint, but I think it'll come out pretty sweet, and I think you guys will like it. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos. Make sure you guys share them. Help us out. My Patreon link is down below. And just like that, this video's over, and I'm out.